Running out of stock can disrupt your operations, but Ordoro makes it easy to stay on top of your inventory. Let's walk through how to quickly find low inventory products. To find low inventory products in Ordoro, start by going to the Products tab. Click on Filters and locate the Low Inventory filter. If you're managing multiple warehouses, select the specific warehouse you want to check. Next, click Apply. You'll see a list of products in that warehouse with low inventory, making it easy to identify what needs restocking. Low inventory products are those with a physical on-hand quantity that is below the low stock threshold. This threshold is set in your product settings and helps flag items running low. To refine your results, filter out kits and products already marked as reordered, since those likely don't need to be restocked. This tool provides a fast, organized way to track low inventory and prioritize reordering. With just a few clicks, you'll have a clear view of what needs restocking, keeping your operations smooth and your shelves stocked.